There's two things that I love, easy recipes and shrimp. My name is Bridgetta and today I'm making panko baked shrimp.
Hey, how about me?
Oh yeah, okay, three things I love. Let's get started. The oven's preheating to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and now I'm going to combine the breading that's going to go on the shrimp. So I have my breadcrumbs. I like panko. These are panko seasoned breadcrumbs. I have garlic, which I've already minced. Then I have Parmesan cheese, which I've already shredded. Now I like to do it in a separate bowl whenever possible before I put it on anything because I just think it mixes better. This way I can make sure everything gets coated. Okay, next is salt and pepper. The amount's up to you. And just a little more salt, there we go. Okay, I'm going to give that a quick mix. And then I'm going to put it over the shrimp and we're going to mix it again. Peeled and deveined. I'm going to pour it over that. So there's our mixture. So I'm going to take a couple minutes and mix this up. We want it to coat. And let's see. Oh, I forgot the olive oil. That's what I forgot to do. All right, just a minute. We're going to add that. All right, we need 2 tablespoons. Wouldn't it be a recipe by Bridgetta if I didn't forget something. So 2 tablespoons olive oil. Now it should mix up much better. Now I'm going to coat my baking dish. Move this out of the way. I'm going to spray it with avocado oil. And I'm going to get tongs. And I'm just placing it on my bowl or on my dish. Now this dish is going to be a little small for everything to fit, so I will cook the remaining on another dish. Okay, I'm going to put parsley on top. Use my fancy shears. And we're going to put melted butter over the top. Then it's going in the oven. gotta be good, right? If it has butter. Okay. It's gonna go in the oven for around 12 to 15 minutes. We'll check it. Now we wait. Well, now we're going to try Panko baked shrimp. And Mark has on the shrimp shirt.
Yes, I do.
So we're ready to dive in?
We are.
Okay. We're going to get a couple pieces. So I put lemon on the side. If you want to put lemon on it, that's an option.
I'm going to put it on one.
Okay. I'm going to try one while he's doing that.
Are they still hot?
Mm-mm.
Wow.
Mm-hmm. Crunchy. I love that part of it. They cooked for about 14 minutes. Keep an eye on them. You know, every oven's different, so it depends. Now,
These are awesome.
They are awesome. If you have any left over, you can reheat them in an air fryer. They turned out great, right, when we did that?
Yes,
oh
they
my
are.
Gosh. It was so good. I was even eating the leftover crumbs when the shrimp was gone.
Ooh, it's hot. Still,
It's still
plate's
hot?
Still hot, yeah.
So we hope you like this recipe. It was delicious. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Be sure to check out some of my other videos. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.
Nice. Man, they're gorgeous.